Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of St. Antony National School, Icse Wardha. Dear student, this video is basically for the class 10 and in this video we will discuss the Union Executives. Union Executives consist of the President of India, Vice President of India and Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister. In India, we have President but not the presidential form of government. The President of India is the chief executive of our country and he is the first citizen of our country. The President of India exercises the power of union executives either directly or by the officers subordinate to him. So now we'll discuss about the qualification for the election as the President of India. The first and foremost qualification to become the President of India is that the person should be citizen of India. The second point under the qualification is that must have complete 35 years of his age. He must be qualified to become the member of Lok Sabha, must not hold any office of profit under the central or state government. If an MP seeks election to the President of India, he or she have to resign from the seat first. Then only he can contest the election for the President of India. Okay. Now we'll discuss about his term of office. Generally, the term of the office of the President is 5 years. He can be in the office for the term of 5 years. Then vacancy. The President may resign before the end or expiry of his term, and for this purpose he need to give a written resignation letter to the Vice President of India, and the Vice President of India will convey it to the Speaker of Lok Sabha. In case of death, resignation or impeachment, the House need to appoint a new President within the period of 6 months. During the vacancy period, Vice President of India will officiate as the President of India and till the new incumbent. So the newly elected person will be having the same term of the 5 years. So that was the term of President of India. Now we'll discuss election, how the President of India get elected. So dear students, in the election of President, common people do not plays any role. President of India is elected by a committee known as Electoral College. So what is Electoral College? It is a joint body of elected MPs and elected MLAs. That is the elected member of both the houses of Union Parliament and the elected member of state legislature. And this body, it is a temporary body which get dissolved immediately after the election of the President. So these were the points we discussed about the President of India. And as we discussed that the President of India is indirectly elected. So what is the need to elect the President indirectly? So dear students, as we know, the state legislature is included in the election of the President. And we know the number of members of the states are different. For example, from Maharashtra, 48 members are elected at Lok Sabha and 19 members at Rajya Sabha. And if we will see the example of Arunachal Pradesh, and in Arunachal Pradesh, 2 members are elected from the Lok Sabha and 1 member is elected at Rajya Sabha. So here you can see there is not equal representation to the each state. Okay, so that's why here we will follow the proportional representation system. As the population of the state and the strength of the legislature assembly is not uniform. The strength of legislature assembly of each state is different. That's why the system of one man, one vote cannot be adopted. Then second point, why we need to conduct the indirect election over the president is that direct election would involve tremendous work, time and heavy expenditure, and the countries like India, which are the developing countries, it is not affordable. So that's why the indirect election is taken for the president of India. So dear students, we will conclude this video here. In next video we will discuss about the powers of president of India. Thank you very much.